Hello and welcome to New England Ambiance. Today you actually get to hear us talk, well, me talk. This is an unboxing video of this box, which has DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in it. We're trying to level up our videos, and we think that maybe this might be a way to do it, because right now we just basically use GoPros, and so we're trying a DJI thing for a little bit. So we're going to open this up and see what we got in here. Okay, just cut the box. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, I know. People sometimes have those things that you can hold the camera for you, but I'm just doing this myself. That is not a camera. Let's see. We've got backpack strap mount. That might be good for something. And that's it. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Okay, looks pretty nice. Well, let's open up this box. One moment. Okay, I took off the plastic wrap and tasty. Okay, now that feels very heavy. That looks like the bag. And then this feels much lighter. I don't know what's in there. And then paperwork. We have whatever that is. Whoops, we got a cat. That's Welton. We got, what's this? Stickers? Don't need those, just like I don't need all those Apple stickers I have. Quick start guide, that might be very handy. And something else. And something else. Okay, so we're gonna look inside these boxes. Are you helping, Welton? Yes, okay. So this looks to be the cover, and then this. So since I can't do all this one-handed, I'm going to pause for a moment, and in a second, this will all be on. Okay, and we're back. So we have the protective case cover thing. Looks interesting. I have a lot of garbage out because Welton asked me to open the clear stuff out of the box so we can jump in, and then of course he did not. Wait. There we go. A regular sized cat in a much too small box. Okay, well, Welton. Anyway, okay, back to this. So then we have case. Feels pretty solid. Looks nice. That looks to be like the battery thing. Oh, that is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It feels good and solid. This is the microphone, it looks like. That is neat. All right. That I'm gonna have to open. That is the extender bit, which I'll have to open. This is another bit. That's the tripod. And what else do we have in here? We've got a cable. That's handy. Do you want a cable? No? Okay. And this looks like the wind bit or deadcat, but we won't say that in front of Welton. More tasty silica gel. And finally, camera. Which I need to take stuff off of. So we'll do that and be back in a moment. Okay, we're back. After I know that's cat. Okay, we've restarted again without the cat. And, so yeah, so I took all the, I got the camera kind of set up. I had to download the app and go through the setup process, create an account. All that took about 10 minutes or so. And then I had this really kind of unusually long questionnaire about like how I chose this camera and all that. Overall, this feels neat. It feels kind of heavy, not heavy. I've had a lot of people say it feels light that I've seen online. It feels really small, like, but it feels durable. And there we go. And when I tried, ooh, see, there's the gimbal in action there. Just, ooh, whoops. There comes a cat again. So it's very neat. I can't wait to kind of get it charged and explore with it. I have some ideas for some videos, kind of along what I've been creating so far, but doing some walking videos. Oh, there we go. Doing some walking videos in town, and I'll be right back. He just ran off with one of those gel. And we're back again. Had to catch the cat with the gel pack. He ran upstairs with it, trying to hide it. So those are safely thrown away. So I'm going to try to put this in here. Oh, that fits nicely. It's very snug. It feels very well protected in there. So happy with that. Come on, I'm going to unwrap these things. Okay, it's all unwrapped. So I got the creator combo kit, so it came with all this extra stuff. Like the camera by itself is like, I think it's like $5.50 or so, but you can't have those gel packs. I threw them out. But I got all of this. I think it was, I think it's $500 just for the camera, but then it was like $650 for everything, so it's an extra $150, which is an extraordinary deal because these recorders alone, these microphones, are pretty expensive. It also comes with a lot of other things. So I got this tripod that can screw into the bottom, which is nice. I look forward to using that. This is, I don't know which one's the battery. I think this one, yeah, this one's probably the battery because it looks like it has a USB. You know what? They both do. I mean, that looks like a USB-C. And maybe that one too. So, but, it's got this button on it. You'll see that? Sides go out. So these click on to the bottom. So I think, what does that say? When mounting, insert the battery handle into the Osmo Pocket without holding the release button. When detaching, press and hold the release button. Okay. So, oh, nice. Solid click. And so that must be the battery part. I'm gonna pull this out of here. For that. That feels better. I mean, not better, but this, just the Pocket, the Osmo Pocket alone, it just feels really tiny in your hand. But this kind of gives it some more oomph, like something to hold on to. So I think, oh, there we go. No, go back, come back. So the camera is at 48%, and this is at 55% right out of the box. So I want to do it this way. I think it's because I'm normally left-handed. Oh, got a cat over there. shooting with? Okay, so it's a nice, very bright screen. Good size screen, too. 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, so we got that. And then we have this bit here on the bottom. Actually, not even one-handed. Screwed in nicely. I'm gonna turn it. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Like, look at that! Look at that! All right, so I'm going to. I think that's probably no. No, you can't have that. Oh my god. So, just to let you know, almost everything that comes in this box is of great interest to us, to a cat. So, I am probably going to end this video here. This is pretty interesting, opening this stuff up. I'm probably gonna spend the next couple days getting, nope, stop it. Getting used to using it, charging it up, using it, and I probably want to make some comparison videos between the GoPros. I have 2 GoPros. Used to have 3, just sold one this week. I have a GoPro, had a GoPro 7, that's the one I just sold. GoPro 9 and a GoPro 11. But hopefully this one here will be the new one that we use when it's not raining, because this is not waterproof from everything I've seen. So, but I want to do some comparison videos between this and the GoPro 11, just to kind of see what the sound and video quality is like comparing one to the other. So look for those sometime in the future, and thanks for watching. And Welton would say goodbye, but he's busy trying to get into every box. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye. Okay, I'm back for a quick one because I forgot that I missed talking about this, the backpack strap mount. I got this one actually by, I think, mistake. I meant to get, there's an adapter thing that fits, that the bottom of this can chunk into, and it allows it to connect to one of these. So you can mount it on a backpack or on basically anything else. And I was wondering if they're this kind of thing is compatible with GoPro. So here's a GoPro and something I've already been using. Here is another cat. And so what I had wanted to do was just kind of take this out. It's got the 2 things there. Will it go in here is my question. Move that down, and yes, it totally does. Will that fit in? And the answer is yes. That will totally fit. So that's great, because I've got tons of accessories already for the GoPro, and then all I need to do is get that adapter thing that fits onto the bottom of this, and it should all work together. That should work with all the other accessory crap that I already own. So, all right, I just wanted to check that out for myself, and I need to order that piece that I didn't get. Well, not that I didn't get it, I meant to put it in the cart, and I guess I ordered this by mistake, but this will also be super handy for walking around, put on a backpack strap or something else. So, yeah, and we'll get to see it in action soon. Thanks.